such a director?
Chocolate.
What color is that?
Green.
How about orange?
Orange.
Orange.
Color.
You gonna color with that one? Oh, good job.
Here.
Okay, Mom takes that one.
Picture.
Yeah. That's a perfect color for Ernie. Look. It's a good color for Ernie.
Do you like coloring, Linz?
House.
It's your house? Are you going to color your house? Oh, good coloring. You go in your house? Hello? Hello? Are you going in your house?
Here. There.
Daddy, come in?
Here.
Do I sit?
Here. Shoe. I see shoe.
You're going to sit too? What are we going to sit and do?
Here.
Are you going to color inside your house? Oh, good coloring.
Mommy.
Hello?
Who's that in your house with you?
Daddy.
Yeah. You let him in your house? You gonna color with that one?
You going to give one to Daddy?
Tell Daddy to color. Oh, good job, Lizzie.
You coloring?
House, Dad.
Go in the house?
House.
You got in the mail slot?